Everyone. It gives me a great pleasure to have you all at Elets Urban Innovation and Infrastructure Summit. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Municipal Corporation Panchkula and the Department of Urban Local Bodies for giving us the opportunity to put this conference together. This conference is an attempt to get the best of minds in policy making, the industry and thought leaders to come together on a common platform and brainstorm on nuances of urban development, the progress made, challenges faced and solutions thereof. I extend a heartfelt thanks to the Honorable Minister, Shri Vipul Goel, Minister for Local Bodies and Civil Aviation, for joining the conference and sharing his vision for the state of Haryana. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank Shri Vikas Gupta, Secretary Urban Local Bodies and Citizen Resources Information Department for his constant support to this program. This program would not have been possible without the initiative and vision of our program chair, Aparajita ma'am, Commissioner Municipal Corporation, Panchkula. Thank you, ma'am, for your faith in us. I also thank and welcome Mr. Yasushi Nishikawa, MD, SML ISUZU, for being here. Welcome, sir. Welcome to India and welcome to Panchkula. Last but definitely not the least, I would like to thank each one of you, our delegates, for coming here and joining this program. Thank you so much.